Hi friends, I am Tirak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert the text box on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a text box on your WPS spreadsheet, I'm just going to show. So first of all, open a spreadsheet on your WPS and click on this icon option. Now just go inside the insert option and scroll down, and you will see an option called text box. Click this. So now just type whatever you just needed. For an example, here I'm just going to type as chart change. Okay. So after typing through the text box, click on the text box, and here you will see you can just adjust resize by tracking the text box, and you can just move the text box wherever you just need it. Then you can just click on the edit option, and you can see you can rotate left or right by using this, and also you can just make an angle rotation by using this option. And then you will have a icon option here. So after clicking on the text box option, here you will see a border style and border weight, and also the border color can also be chosen. If you just need it for a fill color, you can just choose that also. And also you will see a lot of other options like a text box, like a border weight also you can just change and manage it. So this is how you just create a text box on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.